Hi, let's draw the Squid Game Red Guard step by step. Stay tuned. Start with a rounded rectangular shape for the helmet. Inside, draw a small square or screen. Add two horizontal and one vertical lines to divide the mask. Draw a slightly curved rectangular torso. Add two arms on the sides, keeping them slightly bent. Draw a belt across the waist with a buckle. Add a small chest pocket on one side. Extend to slightly curved lines for the legs. Add small pockets on the sides of the pants. Draw rounded boots at the bottom and refine the outline. Now, color it red with a black mask to complete the Squid Game Guard look.